we are going to learn how to select a folder by using the folder picker in VBA, and also we will learn how to select a file using the file picker in VBA. So first we will learn how to select a folder name, and the path will show in the cell L5. First, for this we have to click on developer tab and we need to open the Visual Basic editor. I have already opened the Visual Basic editor. Just click here and see, first you need to write down the subject. I hope you know. And I have declared a variable as a file dialog. So I have set this variable and write down application.file dialog bracket MSO file dialog folder picker. X.allow multi-select equal to false means it will not allow you to select more than one folder at a time. X.show means it will show which folder you have selected. So folder equal to X dot selected items. Inside the bracket I have write down 1 because at least we are selecting one items. If we are not selecting inside L5 cell, and then it will also show you by using the message box set X equal to nothing. It's a good practice. If you not write this line, it will not impact, but if you, so let's see how it will works. So we will press F8 and we'll check one by one line. So here you can see I have select the Excel folder, click OK, then again F8, it will show me the file, the folder with the full path. Let's see the full path is showing here. If we change a little bit of in the existing code, then we will able to select the file. Just you need to change here, instead of MSO file dialog folder picker, you just write down file, then click here. It will allow you to go inside the folder. I have select this file, press OK. See, the path is coming here with the full file name. So that's it. Thank you very much.